Hello everyone! Today we'll be doing the Mystery Slime Challenge. Alright, we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay,
I get to go first, so I'm going to pick this one.
Wait, cut it off your ball.
I am. Alright, we have water, but I think there's more to this. Oh.
You got glue?
Oh, wait, I gotta cut the rest of the... Yeah, I got glue.
Oh.
It doesn't look like glue, but it is.
Yeah.
It was watered down because it was too thick. Oh, wait, all the ones inside aren't cut. Alright, that should be good.
So.
Alright.
Now I'm gonna go. I'm gonna pick this
one. What is it gonna be?
I don't know. Here we go. Oh my gosh, shaving cream. Well, it doesn't really look like shaving. Oh! It doesn't look like shaving cream, but it is. It's makeshift shaving cream. It's not.
You gotta squeeze it out.
Oh goodness. Oh. Oh.
I don't know what I'm gonna go for.
What? Could you squeeze that in there, please?
Oh, that one's junk.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna do this one. Oh, I don't know what this one is. That's a mess.
Yes.
I think this is activator.
That's not gonna be slime.
No.
I don't think these are gonna be slime. Okay.
I think this is activator.
Okay.
This slime is way too liquidy. Stay to the end if you think it's gonna work out.
Okay, I'm gonna pick this.
I don't think it will.
This one's very thick.
What could that one be?
I don't know. It's not liquid. Oh, there's a bomb.
Oh. I would just cut the middle of that.
There's pom-poms. I got pom-pom, guys.
Alright, I'm gonna do this one.
Who puts pom-poms in slime?
She's trying to get the pom-poms out. I'm gonna cut this one.
There's too many.
I wonder what this one will be.
Oh, I think you got...
That was a shaving cream / activator.
Okay,
or not activator.
I'm gonna pick mine.
Ain't no way this is slime.
Yeah, this is not gonna turn out as slime, guys. But I'm gonna pick this one. This is a biggie mess. I think I got activator.
Oh, you got another activator?
No, I didn't get activated.
Oh.
I got shaving cream last time.
What one do I pick?
I just need glue.
Oh, that must be your glue, lad. I know what that one is.
Yeah.
Look at my slime, guys. It's so pretty.
Yeah, guys, look at mine.
Alright, I'm gonna do this one.
Okay.
And I'm gonna cut it from the middle. I think this one is pom-poms.
Yep, it's pom-poms. Now I'm gonna get mine. Can I have the scissors, please?
Yep.
Guys,
the pom-poms.
this is not going so well.
No, it did not.
Oh, that is not glue.
Alright, time to mix it up. Look it, guys.
Oh, Rylan, you're supposed to use your spoon.
Oh, yeah. Look at it.
My glue is a little bit thicker than his was.
Oh, wow. Yours might actually work.
I don't...
Alright, guys. This is my final slime. This was a fail.
Yeah.
We're going to try this again, though, with real materials.
When?
Soon. Let's see how hers turns out. Because mine turned out great.
Okay, let's take these glove pieces out of here. Mine actually might work. Because that's real glue right there. Okay, let's mix it up.
I don't think that's going to work.
So, guys, we got this. We got this zoo. Stew.
This what?
This is stew. I got another glove piece.
The Pom Poms absorbed all the glue in mine.
Yeah, mine too. I don't think Bomb Bomb was a good idea, guys.
I think this is a good place to end it.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.